Welcome back to another edition of Patches and Autos. We are opening a Donruss Basketball 2022-23 Value Pack. Looking for pink laser parallels, hopefully of Bancaro. That would be the best. Got a Harden, Bay, bunch of base. This is the problem with Donruss in general. There's always a ton of base. Giannis. Good old Ben Simmons. MPJ. Where are we going to get to the good stuff? Got a bunch of stuff turned up. That's our lasers, apparently. Patrick Baldwin, green laser. Not bad, not the best, but he did play a little bit at least. Jokic, franchise features. Take the three-time MVP. Not yet, but soon to be three-time MVP. Tobias Harris, green laser. Used to be my favorite Piston when he was on the Pistons, but he got sent to Philly, so... Oh, I still like him. He's a cool dude. I actually met him once coming through my job where I work. And the rest is going to be junk, probably. More base stuff. So I probably would not recommend these value packs just on the sheer basis of the lack of rookies. Nikola Jovic, not Jokic. Jabari Walker, not the Blazer we wanted. Walker Kessler, that's probably our best out of the pack that we got. Rookie who could be in consideration for Defensive Player of the Year with the way he played. I mean, the award's definitely going to go to Triple J, but this guy was pretty amazing for being a rookie with all the blocks he had and stuff. Basically replaced Rudy. So anyways, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. We'll be back with another pack opening soon. Again, that was Donruss Value Pack, 30 cards. No pink lasers at all, so wah-wah. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Cheers.